Hey family, it's Kristian with Easy Budgeting. Tax season is here again, and this year, the rules, the refunds, and even the IRS timing have all shifted a little. So let's walk through how to keep more of your own money in 2025 without falling for hype or bad TikTok advice. Step one, I want you to get organized before you file. You should start with the basics. Your W-2s, your 1099, your last pay stub, and any IRS letters that you might have. Now, if you drove for Uber, you sold online, you did DoorDash, you freelance, or you got a settlement, you probably have a 1099K or a 1099 NEC or a 1099 miscellaneous waiting somewhere. Don't skip these. The IRS already has copies. So if you miss one, your refund gets flagged for review. Now, I always tell folks to make a tax folder, digital or paper. You know what I'm saying? I know young folks like to do everything digital, you know what I'm saying? But if you older, you know what I'm saying, like me, we old school, we want that paper. So keep a file. You know what I'm saying? You're going to drop everything in that folder the second it arrives. That way you can have it all together so you can give your tax professional every document you have. Now, I'm about to tell you what's changed in 2025. Standard deductions went up again, which helps most filers. Child tax credit stayed around $2,000 per kid, but the refundable part, that's the cashback part, hasn't fully returned to pre-pandemic levels. If you're self-employed, pay attention. The business mileage rate and the home office deduction rules got small updates. Little changes, but they add up. Now, your refunds are smaller, right? But here's why. Now, a lot of people are shocked when their refunds drop. It's not that you made less, it's the pandemic credits have expired. The earned income credit and the child tax credit boosted refunds for a couple years. Now it's back to normal math. So don't rely on that refund to fix your whole year's finances. Use it to jumpstart your goals, pay down debt, start an emergency fund, we talked about that, or finally fix that credit report. Now, step 4, everyone wants their refund like yesterday, but rushing leads to missing forms, wrong dependents, or mismatched numbers, and that means refund review hold. We don't like to hear that. If you double check everything before hitting submit, you're usually weeks ahead of folks who file early but wrong. Use the Where's My Refund tool about 24 hours after e-filing. It's the only site that updates straight from the IRS. Step 5. This is your smart refund strategy that I'm going to give you, right? When your refund hits, I want you to split it up. I want you to put 50% of that refund into your savings, because we got to build that emergency fund, right? You're going to put 30% going towards your debt. And the other 20%, you can live off on it. That's your fund money. It's the responsible way. We got to have it. That way, you move forward instead of catching up every year. And if you're tired of waiting on big refunds, Talk to your employer about adjusting your withholdings so more money hits your check each month instead of waiting until tax time. Now remember, taxes aren't just about numbers. They're a snapshot of your habits. Get organized, file smart, and make your refund work for you. If this helped, drop a comment saying refund ready and share it with a friend who always files late. Remember, it's easy budgeting. Smart money, smart move.